Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Safrat and Saifa's channel. Today we got Stegosaurids, we have the Miragaia and the Chialingosaurus from Dino Escape, and this is from Dominion. And we will compare to the new Dino Tracker GIGANTSPINOSAURUS. Yeah, not to be confused to a carnivore because of the name GIGANTSPINOSAURUS. For some reason they mix it up, like a Giganotosaurus and a Spinosaurus. Yep. So we're gonna unbox it and review it. Let's check it out. Oh, let's check the box first. Okay, so we already have the three of these. Yep. Okay. It says it has a spike strike. The head moves. Okay, let's cut it out. Okay. Okay, let's compare it first to a Chialingosaurus. Okay, I believe it has the same size. Alright. So these guys are related to a Stegosaurus. Now to the Miragaia. The Miragaia is really skinny compared to its spike. Wow, look at this, it's huge compared to a Miragaia. It's really small. Look at that. Look at the difference. So it does not open, the mouth does not open up. Yeah, nothing compared to the Miragaia. You can open it. Mouth opens up. Alright, so how do you move it? Okay, so here's the DNA scan. That's really unique. There's a plate right there. So when you swing the head, the tail swings as well. There you go. Okay. Orange and brown coloring. Has three spikes at the end. Yep. So right now I'm trying to custom this Stegosaurus from Dino Tracker. I'm gonna make it a bigger GIGANTSPINOSAURUS. So here he is. So as you can see, I glued this to make it look like this. So this is the tail of a basic Atrociraptor. I cut it off. There you go. I hot glued it. I even like trimmed some of the Stegosaurus plates. There you go. I made it like 6 spikes now. This is actually the claw of a Therizinosaurus. There you go. I glued it like that. I'm still planning to probably carve this down, make it smaller, make it look like this. So yeah, it will be a bigger GIGANTSPINOSAURUS. Why is it? Okay. There you go. Let's put it aside now. So this GIGANTSPINOSAURUS, I've never heard of it before. Just like what? A couple years now? Because the name is so confusing. I thought it was a massive carnivore, but it's not. It's just a smaller version of a Stegosaurus. It's actually a herbivore. But the name sounds terrifying. But it's not. It's a gentle dinosaur. So yeah. So hopefully one of these days I can buy a carving thing to put these plates down, make it look like this. So we'll see how that go. I already did the tail perfectly. It looks like a real GIGANTSPINOSAURUS now, as you can see. Alright, so that's it for today. So yeah, hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day.